Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a stainless steel Mudguard from Peterbilt truck. Well, it looks like this truck has been sitting in the junkyard for quite some time, and the heat and the rains in Florida have done it no favors. Let's grab some Flitz polish and a 7-inch buff ball and go to work. Well, that polish and power of the buff ball is just powering through all that grime and years of residue. Can you see that? Look at that shine coming right back to life. No way, it's starting to turn into a new Mudguard. Well, will you look at that? Looks like the Flitz 1-2 punch has done it again. Will it shine? I'll let you be the judge of that. When it comes time to cleaning, polishing, protecting, Flitz it.